So I have here in my hands a new product from Jonathan Shane of the Keto Road. I am a huge fan of his Energized Reds, which is his first product that he came out with. And this is his newest addition to the line, which is a pre-workout, 0 caffeine. It's got all kinds of amazing things in it. He formulated it himself for his own purposes, which is always the best way for a product to come about. So my intention is to use this as a pre-workout because I have gotten more consistent with my regular exercising. I'm so happy about that. But I came down with a cold yesterday and I am feeling under the weather. I've done all the self-care things. I took like a 2-hour nap this morning, but I have stuff to do. Like, I'm a busy person. I have a house to keep in order. I have kids to maintain. And so I am going to use this afternoon as just a pick-me-up so that I can actually get some stuff done, even though I'm not feeling 100%. So I mixed myself up a serving. I'm going to sip on this and, you know, just try to get the rest of my things done, get the house in order a little bit. And I think this is going to help. So I got my pantry organized, felt so good. I 100% felt like the energy. I could feel it under my skin. I could feel like a little tingly. I had to take off my sweater, obviously. I got warm. 100% was the right choice. I will absolutely be using the True Endurance for when I'm feeling a little bit under the weather. Of course, after all the self-care things, but just to get that little boost of energy, 100% the right choice.